Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we confidently call the best inflatable 10 feet 6 inches with pump paddleboard on the market right now. The AISUNSS Purple Coral Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Whether you're a seasoned paddler or just getting started, this board is designed to impress across the board. Let's kick things off with the design and build. This AISUNSS paddleboard measures 10.6 feet long, 32 inches wide, and 6 inches thick, giving you a solid, stable platform to paddle on. It's made with military-grade PVC using drop-stitch technology, so it's not just durable, it's built to handle rugged use, bumps, scrapes, and even some rocky beach entries. The soft anti-slip EVA deck provides a strong grip, ensuring you can confidently stand, kneel, or even practice yoga without worrying about slipping off. Now, weight matters, especially when you're carrying your board to and from the water. AISUNSS has made sure portability isn't a hassle. At just 19 pounds, this paddleboard is surprisingly lightweight, making it super easy to carry in the included backpack. Setup is quick too. You can fully inflate or deflate it in around 5 minutes, making it one of the most convenient options for weekend warriors or everyday paddlers alike. Let's talk about what's included, because this is where the AISUNSS board really shines. You're getting an entire premium accessory package that makes this a no-brainer. Inside the box, you'll find an adjustable aluminum alloy paddle that floats, which is a huge plus if you ever drop it in the water. There's a double-action hand pump with a built-in PSI gauge, helping you inflate with less effort and more accuracy. You'll also get a large removable fin and 2 smaller ones for tracking and stability, a coiled safety leash to keep you tethered to the board, and a 10-liter waterproof dry bag for your essentials. Oh, and they've even included a waterproof phone pouch and paddle holder. All of this packs neatly into a comfortable, spacious backpack for easy transport. AISUNSS has also made sure their customers are taken care of after the sale. The paddleboard is backed by a 30-day return policy and a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. That's peace of mind you don't always get with gear in this price range. Performance-wise, the wide 32-inch deck provides excellent balance, which is perfect for beginners but also appreciated by advanced users who want to do yoga or fish from the board. With a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, it comfortably supports most riders and even a passenger like a kid or pet. Now, what sets this board apart in its category is the combination of quality construction, generous accessory bundle, and the ease of use. The aesthetic is also on point. This purple coral design is sleek, fresh, and stands out on the water without being overly flashy. Beginners will love the easy balance and stability. Intermediate paddlers will appreciate the responsiveness. And if you're just someone looking to get into paddleboarding with a complete kit that doesn't require add-ons, this is absolutely worth checking out. That's incredible value considering everything you're getting. So there you have it. The AISUNSS Purple Coral 10 feet 6 inches inflatable paddleboard is not only beginner-friendly, but also delivers the full package with performance, portability, and premium accessories. It's versatile, reliable, and absolutely worth the hype. If you're considering getting into paddleboarding or looking to upgrade, this might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a deep dive like this. See you on the next review.